I want to sing. I want to play outside. I want to play with my friends. I want to watch the stars. I want to play in the rain. I want to brush my teeth. I want to sleep. I want to draw. I want to watch cartoons. I want to jump on the bed. I want to make paper airplane. I want to visit the zoo. I want to eat. I want to watch football. I want to go on a roller coaster. I want to eat mango. I want to bake cookies. I want to go for fishing. I want to tie my shoelaces. I want to see rainbow. I want to visit the beach. I want to play hide and seek. I want to swing. I want to eat grapes. I want to plant a flower. I want to have ice cream. I want to jump. I want to dance. I want to read. I want to eat. I want to play. I want to swim. I want to visit a museum. I want to hug my teddy. I want to eat cake. I want to help in the kitchen. I want to take a nap. I want to climb a tree. I want to do my homework. I want to play with balloons.